Hello Falcons, welcome back to another lesson of sentence diagramming. Let's get our journals open and let's add today's lesson to our glossary. This is lesson number 7 and the title is Adjectives and Adverbs 1. Alright, let's turn to our page. We should be on the back side of last week's practice. Let's not waste any pages in our journal. Start by titling our page. Again, lesson 7, Adjectives and Adverbs 1. Last week, we started talking about these things called modifiers. Last week, we ignored the modifiers, but this week, we're going to start diagramming them. Modifiers are used to limit or describe nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Adjectives and adverbs are two types of modifiers. Today we're going to talk about adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective can tell you what kind, which one, how many, or how much. Some examples include funny, those, 5, and more. Now we also have some other adjectives. These include articles, articles are a, an, and the. These are adjectives. In addition, possessive nouns, such as Jacks, and possessive pronouns, such as his, hers, and theirs, may also be grouped with adjectives because they describe nouns. To diagram a sentence with one or more adjectives, you'll place each adjective on a slant line below the word it modifies. If more than one adjective modifies the same word, you'll place the modifiers from left to right in order in which they appear in a sentence. Let's do an example. Let's take the sentence, Jack's clever invention succeeded. First, we need to find our subject and our verb. In this sentence, you might be tempted to say that Jack is the subject, but that's actually an adjective. The subject is the invention. The invention is the subject because it's doing the action, which is succeeded. From there, we have two adjectives. We have Jack's, which tells us whose invention it is. And we have Clever, which tells us what kind of invention it is. All right, let's diagram. Let's draw our baseline with our vertical line. On the left, we'll put our subject, invention. On the right, we'll put our predicate or verb, which is succeeded. And then we have to put our two adjectives. Let's start with the first one, which is Jack's. Let's draw a slanted line. Perfect. And another slanted line for the word clever. And let's put our first adjective, Jack's, and our second, clever. Okay, great. I think we're ready for some practice. Good luck, Falcons.